Hello all. So this is motion detector or obstacle detector circuit, and in this we are going to use IR transmitter, IR receiver, one potentiometer, resistors 220 ohms and 10 kilo ohms, and one comparator, that is LM358 comparator. We are going to use op amp as a comparator, and output we can use LED or speaker or buzzer. So whenever the obstacle detected, we can recognize here using LED or speaker or buzzer. So these are the components we are going to use in this project: LM358 operational amplifier, resistor 220 ohms, 10 kilo ohms, variable resistor 1 kilo ohm, LED which is any color, IR transmitter and IR receiver. So coming to explanation, circuit diagram. So this is the IR transmitter. We connected VCC and ground. So this is continuously emits IR radiation, IR waves. So whenever it radiates IR waves, any obstacle is there between the IR waves, that will reflect back to the IR receiver. So IR receiver connected to the VCC and ground. So due to reflection and reception of the IR waves, this receiver will receive the IR waves and changes its resistance to the comparator. So at that time, this VCC will flow to the pin 3, and this is the pin 2 of the LM358. So what is the how it works with comparator? So comparator, whenever the pin 3 is greater than voltage at pin 3 is greater than voltage at pin 2, it generates output as a 1 or high. So whenever the pin output voltage at pin 2 is less than the pin 3, it generates low signal. So here we are generating high signal using this combination. Next, these are the components we are using: resistors, next comparator, potentiometer, IR receiver which is in black color, and IR transmitter. So this is the IR transmitter. So IR transmitter you can find in TV remotes, any remotes, wireless communication, remote communication you can find. Even in your mobiles also, some models they are giving IR transmitter for connecting different electronic and electrical appliances. So next we are going for the practical in on breadboard. So how to recognize terminals of the any IC? So you can find some notch here. From this notch, this is first terminal, second terminal, third terminal, and fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight. So U shape. This is the U shape. So first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next, I am going to connect the all components. Just follow the video. This is transmitter section, IR LED which generates, which radiates IR waves, and followed by the resistor, ground and power VCC. So this is the transmitter section, and now we are going to connect receiver section. So this is the receiver section, and we connected VCC. Next, from there we have input to the comparator, same thing here. So pin 3 input. Next 10 kilo ohms to the ground. Next we will continue remaining connections, right? So next I am going to power up power amplifier. operational amplifier, right? So eighth pin is here you can find eighth pin is VCC, and fourth pin is connected to the ground. So this is the ground. Next, third pin connected to the IR receiver. So this is the third pin and connected to the receiver, and second pin connected to the potentiometer. So this is the potentiometer, this one. So first terminal connected to the potentiometer, second op amp second terminal, and second terminal grounded. So here grounded, and third terminal connected to the VCC. Okay. So next connection is the output connection. So output is what? Pin 1 to the resistor and LED or buzzer. So next I connected pin, this is the pin 1 connected to the what? Resistor, and followed by LED or buzzer. So I connected buzzer, so this is the pin 1, so resistor, so after that resistor to the buzzer input, so this is the buzzer input, and next pin connected to the ground. So here there is no obstacle between the transmitter and receiver, so there is no sound. If there is an obstacle between transmitter and receiver, you can find sound like this. Okay, this is the obstacle detector or motion detector. So there is an obstacle, because of obstacle there is a sound. If there is no obstacle, these IR rates will be radiated from IR transmitter, and those are forwarding to the upside. If there is an obstacle, those IR waves reflected back, and receiver receives IRS, and comparator compares two voltages. Whenever the pin 3 voltage is greater than pin 2, it generates high signal like this. So this is the circuit diagram explanation. So thank you.